What will we be making today? Excuse me. Not this corned beef. Cabbage and corned beef though. So this is some corned beef that I purchased. It's corned with salt and pimento and thyme and pepper and scallions and whatnot. This is like the real corned beef, the real deal. We may have thought that we invented corned beef and cabbage, which technically the Irish invented corned beef and cabbage. But yeah, corned beef and cabbage. See you in a few. Okay, so we have our corned beef, and I just rinsed it and thinly sliced it. And we have some sweet peppers, aka bell peppers, and carrots. We have some onions, some de-seeded sliced tomatoes, thyme, garlic, and scallion. And I just chopped these in some large wedge size, not the usual fine chops. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what I did was I boiled the beef in some water to get it tender. It took a while, maybe about 45 minutes or so. I cooked it on low until it was tender. I strained off the water because you know that water would have been salt. And when I strained off the water and left it in the pot, the fat started to melt and turn into oil. So that's what I'm using to kind of brown it now. So I will come in with our seasonings. Remember these seasonings. And we're just gonna let the seasonings blend in with the beef. And remember, the beef was already corned or salted, corned or cured or whatever, with seasonings, which include thyme, pimento, scallion and whatnot. So yeah, we're just putting back in some more flavor into it because we boiled it, but not like we boiled out all of the flavor. Yeah, and look how pretty this is. It looks pretty though. Looks really pretty. Really pretty. So we're just stirring it. Supposed to not smell or inner smell. Inner smell real good. Smell real good, not lie. We'll come in with big chopped cabbage. We're gonna do, we're just gonna add a little bit of water here. You know the cabbage are gonna steam by itself and spring water, but we want one little. We don't want the one here too stir fry. Right? We're gonna come in now with some little paprika, you know, the little color. We're gonna come in with some Bish's Dash, which is the table blend. And it is salt free, no salt, so you know, you just put and put and put because you want the flavor up in it. Then we're gonna come in with some garlic with parsley. Yeah, even though we have fresh garlic in there, but I'm trying to say I'm a garlic person, okay? And garlic good for you, especially in these times. Now we're going to cover it with some black pepper, freshly ground black pepper. And just to give it, the cabbage some saltiness, because the salt from the beef now going to really give it much saltiness. We're going to come in with half of the Maggi bouillon, vegetable bouillon, sorry. So yeah, we're going to stir it around, one gloves. I'm mixing. We're gonna make it stay for one little 2 minutes or so, 3 minutes. You see this? Looking Lovely. Looking real lovely, man. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. So here we have our dough. I made it ahead of time and I placed a damp paper towel over it. And yeah, this is the dough. It has some cornmeal and just salt. And I let it rest. So because it's been sitting a while, it's a little bit sticky. So what I'm just going to do is sprinkle a little flour on it. Now I'm not going to do no big dumpling, but I'm just going to demonstrate how I would make my big dumplings. I would do like this. Then I would do like this. And then I would just roll it around. And then I would do like this. And I would press it in. And then I would have my dumplings. But I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to make some little tiny balls. Just some little tiny balls like this. Yes. So let's get to it. And there you have it. Time to go into the pot. Pew, pew, pew. Just want to stir them around because I don't want them to stick to the bottom of the pot. So I'm just going to go in with my ghee, which is basically clarified butter. A tablespoon of butter in it. And this is just 2 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, onions, and a little bit of thyme. Okay, then you want to come in with your dumplings. Now this is not traditional, this is just me putting a twist on the traditional. Bear in mind, this is not for persons on a diet. Not for persons on a diet. Okay? We're going to come in with our anchor butter. We're going to come in with this. Now we're going to turn off the stove now. We're going to come in with our chiffon butter. Well, not really butter, it's margarine. So we're going to put that. And we're going to come in with our country rock turnstile margarine. Can you see it? And we're just putting this. I'm going to say it again. This is not for persons on a diet. This is not healthy. But you can, however, do it a little bit more healthy by using just 1 small amount of butter or margarine, or you can use olive oil, coconut oil. It's not gonna be authentic dumpling butter, even though nothing about this is authentic, because you know I added my little extraness. But yeah, do what you want to do. This is what I'm feeling for. Shall I repeat? Here you have it. Garlic dumpling and butter. I know. Once again. You taste the ghee coming through, and nice clarified butter taste, and then the
Don't forget to subscribe.